Welcome back and thank you for watching. This is another stock analysis video with NLC Capital. In this video we're going to be looking at Groupon, ticker symbol GRPN, and this is just going to be a quick analysis video of the stock to help you get a better idea of where the company could be going, where it could be trading in the coming weeks, days, and months. To start, let's look at the nearest price action. We easily identify the recent bullish run supported by that support line, just like the rest of the market. A lot of stocks have a similar chart that looks just like this for the past month. However, what I find more interesting is every time Groupon reports earnings, you have these very wild moves. And this is something you could most likely see. If you notice the past 3 earnings, Groupon has sold off into it. Okay, you see Groupon selling into earnings. Groupon, this one actually, they bought into it, but they sold off after. This earnings report sold off into it, exploded after. This earnings report didn't really do much, traded neutral to bearish, and then went down after. We think you'll most likely see a pop out of Groupon, and that pop could be a $1 move, which is about a 3 to 4% gain for Groupon. Now, what makes us think that is this is starting to develop a U recovery pattern, and Groupon could trade all the way up to the $4.10 mark, and then potentially weeks after that close this gap right here. Okay, and this is all depending on if they beat or not. We didn't look into Groupon too much to know if they would beat or not. By the looks of it, they are struggling as a company from where they used to trade at to where they are now. So we're just looking at this technically, and to get a better picture of the near-term trend, I want to pull up the 90-day 1-hour chart, and you can see this breakout between this consolidation period. Okay, consolidating, breakout, we consolidate again, and now we're running. Okay, I am pretty confident this move will roll over. If we pull up Twitter, you will see a similar move. Twitter had a rapid gain, and now Twitter missed on earnings and they sold off. Okay, if I would pull up Twitter, I don't have extended hours highlighted. I won't pull that up for the sake of time. But Twitter was down tremendously after reporting another horrific earnings report. So we think you could potentially see the same thing after Groupon. They're going to trade into earnings and most likely sell off. We're not confident in their abilities. They are struggling as a company. But again, like I said before, we don't know too much about them. It's not a stock we really cover. But by the looks of the chart, it will most likely roll over. This has been another stock analysis video with NLCcapital.com. Make sure to follow us on all of our social medias, including Twitter and StockTwits, where we post free trades all the time. And make sure you visit our website, www.nlccapital.com, where you can get access to those free trades and subscribe to our service, where we're up 75% this year.